Alright guys, so the cord is back and it's running well, but because the new clutch has to be broken in for 500 to 1,000 miles, I can't really make any like normal driving footage. So today I kind of just wanted to show you where the high flow precats are and a little sound test. So right here you can see that's the only visible high flow precat that you'll be able to see from here. I think I showed a clip of the normal one or the stock one in the last video, but anyways, this is the RV6 one. It's a lot smaller if you guys compare it to the other video. But anyways, let's get into the sound test. I got Calvin behind the wheel, so we're gonna get a few revs in. Hopefully the neighbors do not hate me for this, but go ahead, boy. Sounds pretty good. I'm gonna get a little closer. All right, go ahead. All right, anyways, I hope you guys like this short video. I know it's not the most eventful. It's just been a lot of repairs on the cars and stuff like that. But let me know what you think about the setup now that it's basically the complete version of the first setup, the first exhaust setup that I want. I may add a resonator. I'm not too sure yet because this setup's literally a day old, so I can't say for sure if I want one yet. But I'm leaning towards getting one because there is an added rasp. But anyways, hopefully you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.